how to remove and reinstall the brake caliper on a M8 Softail. Take your 12mm socket. You're going to take these two bolts out, right there and there, there and there. If you are going to remove your brake pads, you're going to want to break this Allen screw here free and this Allen screw there free. You're going to want to do that before you take the caliper off. That way the bike itself kind of holds the caliper in place. I'm only taking the rear wheel off. Take your 12mm socket there. Take that bolt out. Take that bolt out of there. They're two separate links, so you're going to want to keep track of which one's which. Then pull the caliper up and off of there. And now we can look at the rear brake pads, which are pretty good. Now, to reinstall your brake caliper, you want to make sure you have the pads pushed out far enough. If you're replacing your pads, you should have recompressed the pistons already. And if you're just putting it back on, you just want to make sure this gap in between the two pads right here is large enough that the brake rotor can get in there. If you're careful, you can take a flathead screwdriver and put it in there and recompress the pistons a little bit. Now you want to be careful doing that you don't chew up the surface of the brake pad with your flathead screwdriver. So gentle touch and patience is very important for that. But then you can slide it back in there. Like I said, make sure the pads are spread apart, and then it will slide onto the rotor just like that. When you're done, give it a look up here. I don't know if you can see there or not, but make sure one pad is on one side of the rotor and the other pad is on the other side of the rotor. Next, we're going to put the two bolts in. Remember, the shorter bolt goes in the front. And the longer bolt will go in the back. Get both of these started in there before you tighten up, because you don't want the caliper to go crooked when you tighten the thing up. If you've just replaced your brake pads, you're going to want to tighten up those two bolts right there. Then you can take your 12mm socket, run both of them in until they're snug. And from there, you can torque them to spec. Torque is 28 to 37 foot-pounds according to the service manual. Right there. And right there. There you have it. Now you're going to want to give your brake pedal a pump a few times to make sure the pads are recompressed up against the rotor. Otherwise, the first time you step on the brakes, you won't have brakes, and that's no bueno. So just give it a couple pumps and you'll feel the pressure build back up as the pads squeeze back in. After that, you're ready to go ride.